Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June 13th, 2018, and I want to show you the peas hanging on. There's one of them here. There's some of the flowers. Here's one. That's a nice one there. There's some over here. So I want to give you an update on these, on how they're growing. You can see how tall they got. Let me move back here some without stepping on the squash plants because I don't want to do that. So you can see how much they've grown. This variety over here, a little bit slower growing, but it is growing. We were working on weeding and getting the weeds out. Some watermelons down there. So I just want to give you a quick update on these. I know I had just done one a few days ago, but I wanted to use another one. I seen that we had peas hanging on. So it didn't actually take them, it doesn't take them too long to start producing peas once they get the flowers on them. And that seed magic really helps a lot. So when it's time to harvest these, I will come back with another video and I will show you how to harvest your peas. And these are edible sweet peas. You want to make sure when you plant your sweet peas that you're planting the edible sweet peas so you can eat them. You don't want to plant the ornamental variety. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.